Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to reset Roblox password. So first I'm going to open the Roblox app. Now I have made this video already, which is in my YouTube channel, but the video was from 1 year ago. So here in 2026, I'm remaking this video. After you have opened the Roblox app, click on sign in. Now you need to enter your username, email or phone number over here. So I will enter my username. Here you go. I have entered my username. You can also enter your email or phone number, anything you will remember. Then you have to click on next over here. Now here in the password field, if you don't remember the password, obviously you don't, that's why you're watching this video, click on trouble signing in right over here on the bottom. Now here you need to enter your email address that is linked to this account. If you enter any other email address, it will not work. If you have a phone number that is linked to your account, then you can click on use phone instead. And then you have to enter your phone number, where can select your country code and then enter your phone number over here and then click next. However, my account is created with email, so I'm going to click on use email instead. Now I'm going to enter my email address. So my email address is typed down. Now I am going to click on next. Now as you can see, a 6-digit verification code has been sent to my email address. Now if I click on the enter code field over here, then in my iPhone, the code will be shown over here. So as you can see, the notification has arrived from Roblox, which is in my mailbox, and in my keyboard here is the from Gmail code. Now I will do this manually so you guys can understand better. I will swipe down the notification center, and then here is the email. Going to the email, as you can see, the email is here, and this is the email from Roblox. I will just go ahead and copy this code, which is the Roblox security code, and it is 6-digit. So I will copy this code. Okay, now after copying, I will go back to the app Roblox. Now I will enter the code over here. So I will click on paste. Now after pasting, as you can see, it's requesting for a new password. Now make sure that your new password consists of one capital letter, one small cap letter, one number, and one special character. So I'm going to enter my password here. So as you can see, after entering my new password and confirming new password, the update password has popped up. However, I already have access to my account, so I will not need to update password. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.